What up, what up, what up? It's a new day. It's your man 9 Mill in the house. Still down here in the center of the map. You see, it's flat as flat can be in all directions. That little dirt mound, that's the biggest hill they got out here. But nah, I'm in Iowa right now. This is where I did my 10-hour break. We just finishing up. Got me some young bullshit. I'm gonna get this pre-trip going. I'm about 13 miles, about 20 minutes or so away from my next pickup. It's a nice truck. That's a trucker's truck right there. See, I'm just a truck driver. That's a trucker. It's a difference. It's like being a motorcyclist and a biker. Those are two different things. But yeah, I just wanted to get this day started, fam. Thanks for tuning in to, I don't know if this is another vlog yet, or if it's the same one. I'm really unsure. But either way, you here, we here. About to get to it. Hit that like button if you didn't already. Let's get going, man. Let's get going. Get a time check. Took me about 30 minutes to get here, so 10 hours, a little less than 30 minutes. I got 10 hours and 33 minutes left to drive on the day on my 11-hour clock. It is now 1:14 in the PM. This truck over here is getting ready to leave, and I'm in the dock right away. So hopefully it don't take long. I have no clue what I'm hauling. This is some type of manufacturing warehouse type of spot. So it could be a whole bunch of little things, or it could be a bunch of big things like what they got stacked up over there. We'll see. I still don't have that red light yet. So yeah, 1:14 in the PM. Let's see how long it takes, man. Y'all stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Only in there for an hour. Not bad. Gotta take a picture. Reefer Saturn. Guess I could have put my chest strap on. Ain't give me no seal or no further instructions. So we're gonna see what this bad boy looking like. Oh yeah. Heavy machines. Heavy. See why they ain't give me no seal. Ain't nobody stealing this shit. They have to take the whole trailer. Picture. There we go. Alright, fam, man. We got about a little over an 8-hour trip. So get your drinks, spark your cigars, either lined or not lined. You feel me? Let's go, man. Enjoy some of this road footage. Peace. What up, family? What it do? What it do? It's your man 9 Million. I'm back. It's a new day. I think it's the same vlog. I'm pretty sure it's the same vlog. It's just a new day. Hey, Riley. Yeah, I'm gonna get this truck washed. Don't need a trip. It's coming soon. But we've been having a lot of rain. I've been running into a lot of rain, bro. And the killer part is, it'll be clear. Like the other day when I had to sit for a couple days. Well, a whole day, 24 hours. So I sat and it didn't rain. Pretty good weather, 80 something, 90 something degrees out, right? And then next day came, it's time for me to get on the road. It started raining. It's been doing that a lot lately. It'd be nice and chill up until it's time for me to get on the road. And then if I can start raining, which is whack. Whatever. So yeah, as you see, if y'all looking around, you can tell I'm at a weigh station. I'm out here in Ohio, farm country. Ordinarily, I don't like to stay in no goddamn weigh station, because what the police want to fuck with you, you feel me? But I did last night because all the truck stops, well, it was a truck stop not too far away from here, and that bad boy was full. Nowhere to park. And I kept going towards my destination. And I was looking on the map. The only parking that was anywhere close, any for real truck stop parking that was anywhere close, was like 20-30 minutes out the way. So I told myself, if I see a good parking area on the way to my destination in the morning, then I'll take it. And I did. This was it. There was only like 3 other trucks here. Yeah, but it was dirty. But my off time that I got coming up in what, 3 days? 3 or 4 days. They got me scheduled to get my service done. It'll be the first service on this truck since I got it. Everything's been running good though. Everything's been running good. Put my towel back. I don't think I need this no more. Y'all get in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this point of view, POV footage that I've been having going on. I think this is my second time trying it. I don't know how everybody else do their pre-trips, but I like to touch shit, see if anything loose. Also, if I get pulled over, they want to see if I did my pre-trip. I mean, it got some rub marks on it, you feel me? You can tell I done touched some shit recently, because it ain't all dusty dirty like this, you feel me? Like that right there. Ain't nothing right there, but something right here though. Brakes. Yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, fam. Hit that like button. Like I said, I'm just getting this vlog going. Just getting the vlog started for the day. I'm about 20 minutes or so. About 20 minutes or so away from my drop off for my current load. And then I'm about 3 hours away where I need to go for my next load, which will be a FedEx load. And that FedEx load is taking me back to Memphis. So, most likely I'll put this drop off. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it yet. I'm not sure. I'm really unsure. But hit that like button, man. We'll be back at another time. Just rambling. Got shit to talk about. Small thing to a giant, man. Real trucker shit over here. Peace.
Your time start to go up, and you're like, hey, we still recording? Yeah, we still recording. Yeah, so that's how when I'm talking to, like, just with beginners.
Inside to check, man, to see, because the address that's on the paper, I don't see no address, and the business sign that's out there is not the same business name that I had on my BOL. Long story short, this is the right spot though. We in the right spot. It was a quick, easy drive, man. I was closer than I thought I was. I was only like 10 minutes away. So we here. Damn, whatever this is, it's probably straight chemicals. Damn. Slide the tandems. Damn. Hope this motherfucker move. So I sure need to pull up there to get in this dock. Alright, man, what time is this? 11:20 in the morning. I will pull this back out when they are done unloading me. Y'all hit that like button. Stay tuned, man. We got about a 3-hour drive after this to head to FedEx and chill there until I pick up my load at like 11, 12 o'clock tonight. That was taking me back to Memphis. Stay tuned, man. Peace. Alright, time check. 11:54, man. Right around 30 minutes to get unloaded. I'm about 3 hours away from my next pickup, and probably about 7 hours away from my next drop off from there. So I guess I won't say crazy thing, but one thing that's not working in my favor is that I'm 3 hours away, and by the time I get there, I won't be able to do a 10-hour reset. I won't be able to do a full 10-hour reset before my next appointment time. So hopefully I'll find out when I get there, you know, exact times or whatnot. Hopefully I have enough time to be able to go drop that load without having to do it for 10 hours. So I may not be able to get no full 10-hour break. So I don't know. Stay tuned. We gonna run this vlog. Are we gonna run this vlog? Did I get started? I'm not sure if it's gonna be a new vlog or if it's gonna be the same vlog we on now. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my paperwork, and I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Y'all be cool. How y'all be cool? On my way to Kentucky now. Peace.